Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra, Chapter 4 of Class 4, More or Microsoft Word. In this chapter, I have already discussed all the important topic along with the objective. Today, once revise of this chapter, की default margin are set at the 1 inch from the top, bottom and left edge of a page. है ना? Second, first the default margin of are set at the 1 inch from top, bottom, left and left edge of the page. Second, to copy formatting or multiple text, double click on the format painter button. Third, the column break option is present on the layout tab and format painter is a toggle button. Default tab stops are set at every 0.5 inch. And true false. First question, the indentation determines the amount of spacing above or below the paragraph is false. Tab key is used to move the cursor at a certain space in a document. True. The page break option split the document into 2 or more columns is true. Landscape is a default paper orientation in the Word. False. And fifth, increase indent button is shift the text 1 inch away from the left margin. This is the false. And now MCQ of this chapter. First question, the option is used to search any particular word or a phrase in a document. Answer is the find. Second, the dash option divide the document into 2 or more columns, and the answer is columns. And third, the selected text can be shifted ½ inch away from the left margin by using the increase indent button. And question number 4, the top and bottom margin of a document can be changed by using the vertical ruler. To move a paragraph or a line to a specific position, indenting feature is used. So these are the objective questions of this chapter. Now, how will you apply the text formatting to the another selection? Question number 1. So, format painter is used to copy and apply the text formatting or some other basic graphics formatting such as the border to fill the another selection. Select the text or a graphics whose formatting you want to copy. Click on the format painter button in the clipboard group and on the home tab. The pointer change into the brush shape. Now you apply the copy formatting by dragging the brush over the desired text. The formatting attribute of the previous text will be applied to the selected text. So these are the answer of the question. Question number 1. Now second questions. Why do you use header and footer option? Header and footer option. Second question answer. The header and footer are used. Header and footer are used to replace some information on the top at the bottom of the every page respectively. You can include title, chapters, heading, date, page number and author's name in this section. So these are the answer of question number 2. Now question 3. Okay, what is the indentation? List the type of indentation. Indentation determines the amount of spacing between the text and the page margin. Indenting basically draw the reader's attention. Indentation features used to move the complete paragraph to the first line of a paragraph to a specific position either from left or right margin. Indentation are the two types, increase indentation and decrease indentation. So these are the types of indenting. Question number 4. Now question number 4. Okay, what is the page margin and what are the default setting of the left right margin? Margin refers to the amount of space that is left from the edge of the page, and the document text. Word 2016 allow you to set the margins on the four sides of a document, that is the top, bottom, left and right. The default margins are set at 1 inch from the top and bottom and 1 inch from the left and right edge of the page. So these are the answer of the question number 4. Now fifth, what do you understand by the print preview option? The print preview Word 2016 allow you to preview the document before printing. Follows the given step. Click on the File tab and select the Print option. Preview of document automatically appear on the right side of the Word window. So these are the print preview, and all the questions of this chapter is solved. These are the syllabus up to 1 to 4. 1 to 4 is the syllabus of this session 1, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the syllabus of this exam. Okay, thank you.